We're at Don Hattan car dealer on the west side of the grand opening. We're going to take a look at some of the cars that are on display. Some pretty nice ones. There was 12 classes, and these are the 12 winners of each class. And they invited us out to be on display, and they have some food and a band coming. We got the neat VW. We got a Mustang, some neat headlights. Of course, we got to have a couple of Corvettes. And over here's a really neat one here with a great big engine in it. Big V8, I don't think that came in it. It's a pretty one. Like it. And then over here, we've got a neat Camaro. And then back over to the Citroen. So we're all having a good time.